You told me to drive away, and but I live in Miami. I drive here. I mean, I'm not gonna step out. What the f is wrong with you, dumbass people, bro?
Gabby.
No, I'm not stepping out. What the f is wrong with you?
On July 14, 2025, police respond to a call of a young woman, Gabriella, 19 years old, in a residential community. Officers arrive to find a young woman causing a scene. She becomes extremely entitled and argumentative.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you? What's going on?
I don't know. I'm sleeping. I have a baby in the house, and I hear it knocking on the door, knocking on the door, knocking on the door. I guess the girl wants to get in touch with my friend who's sleeping. Living around here like a maniac. She almost ran over my foot or something. I asked her if she wanted water to calm down. She's banging on the doors. Everybody's coming out to see what's going on. She's not allowed on the property. The homeowner is actually leaving work right now to come here to deal with this. She's sleeping. I guess they hung out last night. She got drunk. She had nowhere to go. She ended up sleeping there.
Is that her right there?
Yes. She was supposed to leave, but she's back to her. I don't know, but I was sleeping. I just had surgery. I'm not even supposed to be out here. But she's being very disruptive and like zooming off, going around the corner, almost hitting a car. She still hasn't left. She's mad at her because she left her there sleeping, and she was drunk, and she woke up and didn't know where she was because she couldn't drive home. So that's kind of what's going on.
How old is she?
19.
19? Okay. And do you know this female?
They used to date, and she just showed up while she was sleeping and told her, you can't be here. She wouldn't listen. She kept banging on the door, banging on the door, banging on the door. I said, I have a baby sleeping in here.
I told her that too. I was like, listen, like, you know.
What's her name?
Gabby.
Gabriella?
Yeah.
26. Good morning. Gabriella? Is that correct?
Yeah.
What's going on this morning?
So
You
basically.
stop right there. You stop right there.
Oh, sorry. They didn't know I looked harmless, but this is the second time you made me come over here just to. Can you not record me?
I'm not recording you at all.
Okay, can you stop pointing the phone at me? Because if you were in a position like this, I wouldn't do it to you.
Okay.
Okay, Gabriella, what's going on this morning?
This is the second time.
You told me to drive away, and but I live in Miami. I drive here. I woke up in my car. Hang out.
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath so I can understand what you're saying. Okay, slow down. Take a deep breath.
In my car by myself, asleep in the neighborhood. Like, you don't do that shit to people. She lives with me. I would have never.
Okay, take a deep breath.
I never left her on the street like that. Now she's talking shit. I don't understand. Bro, I don't understand what I did to you.
Gabriella, how did we get here this morning?
I was with her.
When? Take a deep breath. Relax.
No, I can't relax.
Okay, I need you to take a deep breath so I can understand what you're saying. How did you end up here? Did she drive you here? Okay.
She drove me here, and now she's calling the cops on me.
Okay. When did you get here?
I don't know. Do you know? You were too up. I drove you here after you got drunk and you were leaning over in the car. I parked the car and I said, Gabby, lock the door. I have to go to sleep. I went inside. I couldn't even bring you inside. I got in trouble for how late I got here. I never told you could come and spend the night.
So the two of you went out together last night? Okay. So after you went out last night, what happened?
I wake up and like, by myself.
Okay. Were you guys drinking?
Officers attempt to speak with her and gather information about what started the incident. You can hear the frustration in her voice and see how quickly her attitude turns the situation from a minor call into felony charges. It's a clear example of how one person's refusal to cooperate can change everything.
Were you using drugs? Gabby.
Are you good, bro?
Gabby, I'm
Why
speaking
are
to
you
you.
acting all like
Gabby.
brand new?
Gabby.
Mom?
Gabby, I don't think you are able to drive. So if you get behind the wheel of your car, you're going to have a problem. What was that? I'm sorry?
I don't see anything on the cameras.
Gabby, stop. That's fine. She's allowed to record. Okay, Gabby, you need to pull over, please. Because they've been advised that you crashed into the mailboxes.
I didn't touch you.
Okay, well, we're gonna review the video. So, and I don't think that you're in any condition to be driving. So I want you to pull over and get out of the car, please. Watch yourself, watch yourself. Okay, Gabby, step out.
I'm not gonna step out with the
Car.
no.
Gabby, she already
Hey, you got a window punch?
No. Gabby.
Hey, if you don't roll this window down, we're gonna bust your window.
Gabby.
Roll
your window down.
We're going to break your window. We are going to break your window.
Is the car in park? Okay, is the car in park?
What are you
Step
doing?
out.
I'm not gonna step out. What the f is wrong with you, dumbass people, bro?
Gabby.
No, I'm not stepping out. What the f is wrong with you? You're not getting me out. What the f is wrong with you? I'm not doing anything.
Get out of the vehicle.
I'm not getting out of the vehicle. You're so ugly. Damn, poor of y'all. You're not gonna get me out. Y'all please suck at this. No, I didn't even do anything.
I got it.
I didn't even do anything.
Hey, stay out of the vehicle. Stay out of the vehicle.
Where you going?
My phone.
Yep.
You guys like this. You get a power trip because nobody else in your life makes you feel special.
Sorry you feel that way.
Yeah, you over here.
Nah, I know karma's gonna get you guys. Don't worry.
It's alright.
Don't worry.
Not worried.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen to your daughter.
I like
Have
karma.
one, luckily for me.
Don't you worry. It'll happen to your mother then.
Continues to argue and becomes increasingly defiant. Officers warn her multiple times that her behavior could lead to arrest. She ignores the warnings and keeps escalating verbally. Officers use necessary force to overcome her resistance and place her in handcuffs.
This?
Sure do.
Yeah. I wasn't here.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna stick me?
No dumbass.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna stick
I said no dumbass. No dumbass. You not here?
Well, you going to
I
jail
didn't
today?
finish my statement.
Alright, take me to jail then.
Okay. Whose car is this? Oh,
Can you guard her legs, please?
3-2.
Fuck it. What? Lady. Oh, what? How bad was to your daughter?
26 on 51.
He's a teenager, damn.
I didn't even do anything, bro. I didn't even do anything.
673, which call was that?
No one told you to stand
Signal 80 on.
Hey, I'm telling you, I'm going to get hit.
You relax. Get him.
Do something. Me. Do
Now
something
you're gonna
else.
get charged with that, Leo. Alright. Now you're gonna sit up. Bring your knees to your chest and sit up. On the count of 3, you're gonna stand up. 1, 2, 3, stand
I need
up.
my phone, bro.
Alright.
I need my phone. Yes, I need my phone.
Grab it for you. You need to go.
She's placed under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting arrest. Officers secure her and prepare for transport. Why it happened? The 19-year-old was highly entitled and refused to comply with lawful commands from the start. What began as a neighborhood disturbance escalated because she chose to argue instead of de-escalating. Her physical resistance and contact with the officer turned a potential misdemeanor into felony-level charges. Officers remained professional and gave her multiple opportunities to calm down before taking her into custody.